So I know I've mentioned before that I always like to find different ways to incorporate more vegetables in my kids' meals. One of my favorite ways is with sloppy joe. So I have a can of sloppy joes, a pound of ground beef, and the vegetables I had on hand were carrots, yellow squash, some onions, and garlic. So I just finely minced all the vegetables and I'll saute them in a pan first until everything is soft. Once it's soft, then I'll add the ground beef, cook it thoroughly. I'll drain any excess fat once the beef cooks, and then I'll add the sloppy joe. So I just dump all the vegetables in the pan and I just saute it in a little bit of oil. Again, just saute it until everything is soft. Once your vegetables have softened, go ahead and add your 1 pound of ground beef. And you'll cook this until everything is fully cooked. All the fat will drain. Now that my ground beef has mostly cooked through, I went ahead and drained as much of the fat out as I could. Again, this is a really great, easy way to incorporate vegetables into your kids' diet. I have a 4-year-old and a 5-year-old. My 5-year-old is a great veggie eater, as you've seen in my videos. She loves salad. But my younger one, I struggle with her a little bit more. She goes back and forth whether she likes it or not. So this is a good way for me to just make sure that she gets some vegetables in her diet. I do this a lot with spaghetti as well, which is perfect. They can't even tell the difference at all. So at this point, I'll go ahead and add the sloppy joe sauce. So I got my sauce all mixed in. I'm gonna let this sit at low temperature and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. And it's so that all the flavors can incorporate together. And then we'll be ready to serve. Is it good? If it's yummy, give mommy a thumbs up. Thank you. Show me a big bite.
Okay.
Wow. That's too big, silly goose. Do you like mommy sloppy joe?
Mm-hmm.